Samsung is preparing its next major update for Galaxy devices, and leaks of One UI 8.5 have already started to surface. What's interesting is that this update looks very different from what we're used to seeing on Samsung phones. Many people are noticing a strong similarity between Samsung's new design and Apple's latest iOS 26 with its liquid glass style. On top of that, Samsung is also working on new AI features that could put it ahead of Apple and even Google. Let's take a closer look at everything these leaks are revealing. The first thing that stands out is the design. One UI 8.5 may feel very similar to Apple's liquid glass. Screenshots from the leaked build of the software show a big redesign, starting with Samsung's My Files app. Here we see a floating search bar positioned at the bottom of the screen, along with circular icons at the top for categories. Both of these details look very much like Apple's latest design language. Another screenshot shows the Samsung phone app. Instead of the usual 3 separate tabs, there is now a single floating pill at the bottom that unifies navigation. The active tab is highlighted with a circle, again similar to what iOS 26 does. Along with that, Samsung is using floating elements, drop shadows, and gradient effects at the top and bottom of apps, exactly the type of visuals that Apple introduced with liquid glass. Now, the big question is whether this is a smart move by Samsung or a risky one. Apple's liquid glass design has been controversial since the very beginning. When it was first introduced in beta, people criticized it heavily, saying it looked confusing and had usability issues. By the time iOS 26 officially launched, Apple fixed some of those problems, but many users still preferred the older iOS 18 design. On the other hand, Google's Material 3 expressive style for Android 16 has been received more positively, with fewer complaints. So why would Samsung borrow ideas from Apple? The simple answer is influence. Apple is still the most copied smartphone brand in the world. Whether people love it or hate it, Apple's design choices tend to shape the direction of the entire industry. In that sense, it's not really a surprise to see Samsung leaning toward liquid glass style changes, even if people didn't expect it so soon. But One UI 8.5 is not just about the looks. The leaks also show that Samsung is planning to bring in some powerful AI upgrades. A breakdown of the One UI 8.5 launcher by Android Authority reveals references to something called AI agents. These agents could allow users to ask questions directly from the home screen and get clear, short answers. Instead of typing into Google search and scrolling through results. This feature may work by giving a direct answer in just a few sentences. The leaked code suggests the answers will be concise, friendly, and easy to understand. It might even be called Finder AI, though that name could just be internal for now. The really exciting part is that Samsung may let users choose which AI handles the questions. You could pick Google Gemini, Samsung's own Gauss that powers Galaxy AI, or even other models like Perplexity. This level of choice is rare because most companies prefer to lock you into their own systems. For example, Apple only allows Siri, and Google limits Pixel devices to Gemini. Samsung, on the other hand, seems more open to partnerships, which could make Galaxy devices much more flexible. This is something many iPhone users have been waiting for. Siri is known for responding with "I found some web results" instead of giving a straight answer. Even with Apple Intelligence, Siri hasn't reached the level people expect. If Samsung delivers on this promise, Galaxy users could enjoy one of the most useful AI integrations on any phone today. With these changes, Samsung may actually pull ahead in the AI race. Apple is still catching up with its new intelligence features, and Google isn't offering as much freedom with Gemini. Samsung's Galaxy AI already impressed many users this year, and One UI 8.5 could take it even further. So to sum it up, One UI 8.5 looks like a major step for Samsung. The redesign clearly takes inspiration from Apple's iOS 26 liquid glass style, with floating elements, gradient effects, and simplified navigation. At the same time, Samsung is planning to add AI agents that let you choose your preferred AI assistant for direct answers. It's a mix of following trends and trying something new. And it shows that Samsung wants to stay competitive not only in hardware, but also in software intelligence. Whether people will love or hate the new design is still uncertain, but the AI features could easily become one of the biggest selling points of the upcoming Galaxy S26 series. One thing is for sure, this update will spark a lot of discussions once it officially rolls out.